Hello, let's see how to solve this type of question. This is also equation involving indices. So, alright, but this is just an exponent, right? Exponent to the power of x, e. E is a number, alright? So, you can write in this way because you usually will reach a quadratic, right? E to the power of negative s, as you know that by index law, you can write as e to the power of x, positive. So when you bring up, it become e to the power of negative x. Alright, this is your first step, right? So after that, you see that this one have ex, this one also have ex. So usually I will asking student to let y equals to e to the power of x, right? Just replace this with y, with 3 over y minus 2 equals to 0, right? So, okay, so now you try to eliminate the y. This is an equation, so you multiply y both sides. You multiply y both sides, you have y power of 2. You multiply y for this. Imagine you have cancelled out the y, so you have 3. This one you multiply, you have 2y equals to 0. So I rearranged it. You can actually see this is a quadratic equation. I arranged in a general form, so I can get a quadratic equation. Alright, so now I factorize the quadratic to get the value of y. So I have y. How to get 3? You have 1 multiply 3, right? To get negative 2 is negative 3, positive 1, right? Negative 3 plus 1, you have negative 2. If you see that, positive, negative 3. So then you have two values. You have value, you can set y plus 1 equals to 0 or y minus 3 equals to 0, right? So you have y equals to negative 1 and y equals to 3, right? But this is not yet a solution because y is a variable to represent ex, right? So you have to rewrite back ex is negative 1 and ex is 3. Then you have this. So, but look at this. It's impossible for a positive value. E is a positive value. It's a positive number. It's a positive number. You can using calculator to get the value of E, which is 2.7 something. It's a positive number. So a positive number, power of x, is always positive. Okay? It's always positive. Means that ex is always positive. So it's impossible for ex to get a negative number. If you power of anything, also you won't get a negative number. So for this, you have no solution, or you can say rejected, right? No solution. All right. Just write no solution, as from your mind you know that ex is actually positive, always positive. So it's impossible to get negative. So now this is the one that we solve. So now if ex equals to 3, so you can get okay, if you have to see there is an e here, the exponent here, so you put ln both sides. You put ln both sides. You have ln 3, right? You know that ln e is 1, right? Ln e is 1. So you can bring down the x, then you have ln e equals to ln 3, right? And e equals to ln 3. So ln e is 1. So you have x equals to ln 3. So this will be your solution, right, for this problem. So this is the way how you develop your step. All right. See you for the next example.